I've been in the water for as long as I can remember. My relationship with the ocean has definitely molded me to the person that I am today. I believe that we're all product of our environment one way or another. I'm just blessed to grow up in a family where the ocean was our playground. I grew up in Long Beach, New York, a tight-knit beach community 45 minutes from New York City. You got to be dedicated to be a New York surfer. You have to brave the winters and the flat spells in the summer. My favorite times of the year are when I come home and I meet up with my friends and we're chasing waves and just having fun and just surfing.
Make it, yes, dude.
I'm an easy mark with my broken heart. Sweet 16. Show you my explosion, sweet 16. But I love you. I love you. I love you. Sweet 16.
New York has a lot to offer, and if it just had one 50-foot wave twice a year, it would be the best place in the world.
My name is Mike Nelson. I'm co-owner of Unsound Surf Shop and slightly above average photographer.
So Mike Nelson, Nelly came with me my first session to Mavericks. It was crazy.
It was quite the adventure. Paddle right out, like helmet on, giant board, right out to the middle of the pack, and sat out and passed everyone, and then waited for a bomb and went. And that was kind of said he was going to do it, and he did it.
This winter was it was crazy. El Nino. Every single week it was just like another big swell, another big swell, another big swell. Just the Pacific just turned on and never turned off. Literally did not ride a board under like 8.6 for like 2.5 months. It was out of control. My brother was with me in a couple of sessions this year, and it was seeing Cliff just go on some monstrous waves. So cool.
Your
What do I hit?
Dude. Oh my god.
You're so heavy.
So heavy.
New York surfing has been around forever. There's generations of surf families that grew up in this state.
Me and Cliff came together about 10 years ago and created Skudin Surf with the idea to really get these kids to feel that same feeling that we had growing up.
It's amazing to see over the years how far it's come. From kids that were once campers to now our instructors, to the events we're throwing, to the non-for-profit outings, to just the community that has gotten behind what we're doing. It's amazing. Now the newest thing that we're doing is we're building a Hurley Surf Center up on the boardwalk where we're going to be offering that next level coaching and training for these up-and-coming kids.
I'm just stoked to be a part of the future of New York surfing, and I can't wait to see how far it goes.